my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this matte pink Valentine makeup look. So if you would like to see how I created this easy and achievable makeup look, just continue to watch. So I'm going to start off by doing my eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. If you watched any of my videos, then you know this is my favorite cosmetic company that I like to use, and this is in the shade number 4, but sometimes I go between 4 and 4.5. Just depends, but today we're using shade number 4. So I'm going to take the spoolie and just brush up my eyebrows as usual. To my MAC 212 brush just to clean up my eyebrows with some foundation. Adding my Juvia's Place concealer in shade number 13 just all over my eyelid area. Taking the Morphe sponge just to blend it out. So for today's video, I'm working with the Huda Beauty palette. One is in Nude Light and the other one is in Nude Medium. I'm going to start off with the Nude Medium palette first for my transition colors, and then go into the light palette for my lid color. First color, I want to take light, it's kind of like a light medium brown shade, and I'm just going to apply this in my crease area and then a little mixture of this one. And then to deepen up the outer corner area, I'm going to apply this dark brown matte eyeshadow. I kind of like to place the color on my eyelid first and then just blend it out. Okay, so to deepen up this look a little bit more, I'm taking this color right here and just add it in my crease. So guys, my goal is, or my plan, is to create a Valentine series on my channel for this month of February. So I have about at least 6 or 7 videos lined up that's dedicated to Valentine's look, or kind of like a, it's in the pink, purple, I think I have pink, purple, and orange makeup looks. So this will be my first video that I will upload onto my channel. Okay, to deepen up the outer corner, like I said, I'm taking this dark brown and just apply it in the outer corner area. And just kind of lightly blend it in or feather it in. So yeah, like I said, that's my goal for this month of February, is to create all these videos that's dedicated around Valentine's Day. So for the lid area, before I go to my lid area, I'm gonna go back in with my concealer just to cut my crease. Not too harsh of a crease cut, because I kind of like to stay between that soft cut crease look and just fluff it out. I'm going to pick up this color right here. This kind of like a light pink color, probably with a mixture of this nude color right here. Tap into this pink matte color and just apply this all over, just on my lid area. Clean up the crease area. I'm taking the Morphe M506 brush, which is the more precise brush, and just go in between my crease area just to clean it up. Clean up my crease area. I'm going in with this eyeshadow color right here, with this dark brown eyeshadow right here, and just clean up the outer corner. I'm using my Sephora, using a Sephora brown liquid eyeliner. For lashes, I'm using Raine lashes and Bossy. Okay, so for the face, I'm going to start off by using Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is also a primer and a moisturizer. And I love using this moisturizer and primer because it smells so fresh. Fresh and clean. And it helps keep my skin moisturized too. Okay, the next product I'm using Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I also like using this one too because it has that tacky feeling. It kind of grips and holds your makeup in place throughout the day. For color corrector, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Corrector in orange. For foundation, I'm using a Fenty Hydrating Foundation in 420. And just go back in with my sponge where you can get a smooth foundation finish. The MAC Pro Filter Longwear Concealer in NC45. Okay, so for the next step, Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. Okay guys, this pretty much completes my look for Valentine's Day. This is just an ideal just in case you guys are going out for Valentine's or staying home. No judging. So guys, like always, if you made it this far in my video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.